Okay. Jay, how much is your bill?
Busog pera natin. 9,924 dirham.
So,
Almost 10,000 dirham.
10,000
So,
dirham.
if
Let
you-
us say 10,000 dirhams, even our expenses
Yes,
outside.
In Philippine peso, there is 150,000 pesos.
150,000 pesos.
Yes.
And then, the less is, if we don't have insurance.
Insurance. But right now, we need to pay only 534 dirham.
So, you save how much? Big.
Never mind.
Never mind. And it is included how you stayed here in this room.
Yes,
This very big room.
But, 4 days?
For-
5 days.
No, since the day that you
4
came
days.
here. So, let us here clear. 9,900. So, let us say 10,000 all in all.
10,000 dirham.
Not included the baby. So, for the mommy and for the stay here in this room,
Yes.
it will be like 10,000 supposed to. But now you will pay only 500 dirhams. So, you need to say thank you for the Aster.
And also the insurance.
and
NAS
the- yeah.
administration services.
What is the name of insurance?
NAS.
Nurse?
Qatar Insurance Company.
Aster Insurance Company, and then,
Qatar.
okay.
And Aster Hospital.
And then you need to thank the Aster Hospital, the doctor, who's doctor?
I forgot
The doctor is Jishan
Jisha and
and Dr. Salma.
Salma.
Mm-mm. So you need to visit them, you need to book an
I'll come back
appointment.
on Monday.
Yeah, and for the baby, no? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. So you will just pay and then we will go home na. Yala, bye-bye. Yan na guys, we're supposed to go. Thank you so much for this stay. Yan. Room 301. Kasing ano din ang room natin. O, tara na. Close the light. Every light. Open the door. Ayan. Bye-bye. Ayan. Okay. So, we will going out na. Okay, bye-bye na 301. Thank you for taking care of my daughter here. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yan. Lalakad na siya. Ano na, kaya? Dito tayo. Dito yung lip. Yan. Masakit? Masakit ang opera. Baby pa more. I will press the lip.
Ba, hindi pwede ma-press sa...
Ha?
Hindi pwede ma-press sa movie.
Dandan. Ano? Yan na.
May inumin ka nito.
Hindi na pwedeng lagyan ng bandage. Liliguan bukas. And then, na-open na lang siya. Nandiyan na yung ointment mo. Ito pala yung gamot mo po. Dala-dala ko. Wala ka na naiwan dun, Jay, ha? So, we're waiting for the lift to get down. And then we will take taxi. Jay, wala ka naiwan? Sa mga drawer.
Matagal talaga dito.
Ayan na, get inside.
Mula mo lang dito.
Dito tayo, dito ang daan. Halika na.
Wala kayo ba? Wala kayo taxi.